Okay, check out this clever little trick in Python. Let's say I have a list here with duplicates inside. What I want to do is remove duplicates while retaining the order of the list. So initially, I would think to turn this list into a set since sets remove duplicates and then turn it back into a list, but sets don't maintain order, so this won't work. Probably the most common and readable approach to this is to create an empty new list, then say for item in old, then check if item not in new, then new.append that item. And this works. But today I saw a really clever one-liner that does the same thing. So let's say new is equal to dict.fromKeys, then supply old as the input. This will create a dictionary with the values in old as the keys. And since dictionary keys must be unique, you'll see that duplicates are removed and the order is maintained. Now we only want the keys here, so let's put .keys at the end, and let's turn this whole thing back into a list. So let's run this, and there we go. Duplicates are removed, and you'll see as I keep rerunning this, the order stays the same. Be sure to leave a like if you found this helpful.